know what takes movies? My iPhone.
I don't want to do. I want to do a movie of Thomas that has a shark.
You want to see the shark one?
Now, do you want to wear both or just one pair of glasses?
I need my iPhone.
Oh, I think we don't need it.
How tall can you get it, Ada?
Oh, there, good.
Good job.
You
Nice,
can take a
nice.
picture. But if you
Yay! Yeah.
Thank you. You know what? Mama's taking a video of Ada.
Do you think Papa will like this video?
Papa would like to see that.
You want to make a guest appearance?
yeah.
Say, hi, Papa. Oh, back up. Go over by Ada.
You could tell us what Ada's doing.
Okay, now turn this way and... Yeah, turn this way. Say hi. Guest appearance by
Papa.
Hazel Bach.
Hi, Papa.
Good. All right, now Ada. Don't touch it.
Well, can I see the picture of Papa?
Not yet ready.
No,
yet.
he's not on the picture yet.
Yeah.
Yay!
All right, let's
Any
stop
more?
it.